kids, today we will draw a cute kitty. Get your crayons ready. I start with the head. It should be round but egg-shaped. We add a tiny nose in the middle. Hey kitty, remember about the mustaches. 3 on each side. Well, now the ears, a little slightly pointed. Our kitten is a girl and has a bow above her ear. Now let's add tiny eyes. How are you doing? You will find links to some cool crayons in the description. Now we will draw a cute little dress. It should be short. I draw a small neckline in my cat's dress. Oh, look at this beautiful bow. Now the hands on both sides are easy to draw. When the outline of our dress is ready, we draw the legs at the bottom. They are quite simple. I decided to decorate the dress with small flowers, but you can put dots or other patterns there. If you like my drawing, remember to subscribe. I colored the flowers on the dress blue. It looks very sweet in combination with pink. I will color my cat's dress and blouse in different shades of pink. Then our cat will look very stylish. But you can combine pink with yellow and it will also look good. What do you think about it? I color the dress very carefully so that everything looks aesthetic and good. Be precise and the drawing will surely come out great. I will use the corrector to sharpen some elements. It looks very good. You will see it in the next part of the picture. Don't forget to color the bow. It has the same shade as the dress. See you soon!